Hiya, welcome to my video, and this one is about anti-stress, face massage, laughter, DIY meditation. All right, so anytime when you will feel a little bit down or something, look into the mirror, because you can make yourself laugh and you are actually the master of it. So when you will watch yourself when you laugh, you actually activate the happiness, the true happiness. So just look into yourself and start to do faces. If you cannot do that, just do very slowly. You can just go slowly up and down with your eyes.
What do I do duck face? Duck, 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 duck. Ah, duck, 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 duck.
And start massage your whole face. That's super amazing. And on this dressing. And eyebrow. Oh, yeah, this feels so good. Oh, yeah. It just feels so good. It just feels so good. And just play that after that, and you will definitely laugh so much. Thank you for the watching, and just live, love, and laugh.